Gusto spending accounts are employer-funded financial tools designed to simplify employee benefits like health, wellness, and commuter expenses. These accounts integrate directly with Gusto's payroll system, automating reimbursements and reducing administrative work. Businesses use them to offer tax-advantage perks, while employees gain flexible funds for eligible costs. The accounts are customizable, allowing employers to set monthly or annual contribution limits based on company budgets. Employees access funds via a Gusto debit card or reimbursement claims, streamlining expense management. This system replaces manual processes, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations and reducing paperwork. For employers, Gusto spending accounts are a recruitment and retention tool, offering competitive benefits without complex setups. Employees appreciate the immediate access to funds for needs like medical bills or gym memberships. Both parties benefit from automated tax filings and real-time tracking. Gusto supports multiple account types, including health savings accounts, HSAs, flexible spending accounts, FSAs, and commuter benefits. Each account is tailored to specific expenses, with pre-tax contributions lowering taxable income for employees. Employers fund these accounts through payroll deductions, ensuring seamless integration. The platform provides real-time visibility into balances, transactions, and compliance status. Employees receive instant notifications for approvals or denials, minimizing confusion. Employers can set rules like rollover limits or expiration dates to align with IRS guidelines. Gusto's debit card feature eliminates reimbursement delays. Employees spend directly from their accounts. For ineligible purchases, the system blocks transactions automatically, reducing compliance risks. This feature-heavy approach ensures both flexibility and control. Employers start by selecting the account type, HSA, FSA, etc., in Gusto's dashboard, setting contribution amounts and eligibility criteria. The system guides users through IRS compliance checks, ensuring rules like annual limits are met. Employees are automatically enrolled or invited via email. Funding occurs through automated payroll deductions, syncing with Gusto's payroll cycle. Employers choose whether to cover full contributions or split costs with employees. Gusto handles tax withholdings and reporting, simplifying year-end filings. Employees access their accounts via Gusto's mobile app or desktop portal. They can view balances, submit claims, or request a debit card. Setup takes minutes, with Gusto's support team available for troubleshooting. Employers decide contribution frequencies, per paycheck or annually, and amounts, adhering to IRS limits. For example, 2023 FSAs cap at $3,050 annually. Gusto automatically blocks over contributions, avoiding penalties. Pre-tax deductions lower employees' taxable income, increasing take-home pay. Employers can also make post-tax contributions for additional perks, though these lack tax advantages. Gusto's dashboard tracks all contributions, providing clear audit trails. Funds become available immediately after payroll processing. Unused balances follow IRS rollover rules, e.g., FSAs allow up to $610 to carry over yearly. Employers customize these settings during setup. The Gusto debit card links directly to spending accounts, enabling instant purchases at approved merchants. Employees swipe the card for eligible expenses, avoiding out-of-pocket costs. Transactions auto-sync to the Gusto portal for transparency. If a purchase is flagged, e.g., at a non-eligible retailer, the card declines the transaction. Employees must then pay manually and submit receipts for reimbursement. This ensures compliance without requiring pre-approvals. Lost cards are frozen instantly via Gusto's app, and replacements ship within 5 business days. The card works at ATMs for cash withdrawals tied to eligible expenses, though documentation is still required. Employees upload receipts and expense details through Gusto's mobile app or desktop portal. The system auto-checks for eligibility using IRS guidelines, reducing manual reviews. Approvals typically take 1 to 3 business days. Denied claims prompt a detailed explanation, such as missing documentation or ineligible expenses. Employees can appeal by providing additional info. Employers oversee final approvals, ensuring compliance with company policies. Reimbursements deposit directly into bank accounts or via paper check. Gusto syncs approved claims with payroll records, simplifying tax reporting. This process eliminates the need for spreadsheets or manual tracking. Pre-tax contributions reduce employees' taxable income, lowering their IRS and FICA liabilities. Employers save on payroll taxes, as contributions are deductible business expenses. Gusto auto-generates W-2 and 1099 forms, reflecting these savings. Year-end reports include detailed summaries of contributions, reimbursements, and remaining balances. Employers download these for audits or compliance checks. Gusto files necessary forms with the IRS, minimizing errors. Employees claim tax-free reimbursements without itemizing deductions. This dual benefit makes Gusto spending accounts a win-win for both parties. Gusto automates IRS compliance, enforcing contribution limits, eligible expenses, and rollover rules. The system updates annually to reflect new regulations, like adjusted HSA limits. Employers receive alerts for potential violations. Audit trails include timestamps, approval records, and receipt archives. These logs simplify IRS audits, proving that expenses meet legal standards. Gusto's compliance team offers guidance for complex cases. Penalties for misuse, e.g., non-eligible purchases, fall on employees, not employers. Gusto's upfront eligibility checks mitigate this risk, protecting businesses from liability. Employers attract talent by offering modern, tax-efficient benefits with minimal setup. Gusto reduces HR workload through automation, cutting costs associated with manual payroll processing. Customizable plans fit budgets of all sizes. Employees gain financial flexibility, using pre-tax dollars for everyday needs like childcare or transit. The debit card and app provide convenience, while tax savings increase disposable income. Both parties benefit from Gusto's user-friendly interface,